NTP is a place where children build confidence, create friendships, and represents the next generation of Hmong tradition and talent. Please give it up for our little minis, NTP!
All right, Suwanee, give it up again for the Hmong Women's Resource Alliance Dance Program. Everyone say, aww.